Bro, I don't know, but I feel like common sense should be like a topic taught in school. How to use your brain to think. Because the woman that just got attacked by a snow leopard, she caused that for herself. Why are you trying to get a picture with a predator? Out of everything, you go out and see a snow leopard and say, "Ooh, that would be a great Instagram post." You see, now you've gone and fucked up your face for 40 likes. Oh my gosh. Some people just are so stupid. It's actually I don't profoundly. Jesus Christ, how can you be that stupid?